The Food Service Exchange presents
The Magic Chef top-loading compact washer in white with silver trim offers a slim and space-saving design, a lifesaver for homes with limited room and smaller wash loads. It's equipped with modern attributes such as a durable stainless steel wash tub, a digital control panel with soft touch control buttons and indicator lights, and a lift and folding top lid with an integrated viewing window. Likewise, the performance features include 6 automatic wash cycles, 6 water level selections to deliver flexible cleaning options and fabric care, and a pulsator, which generates strong and weak water flows that rotate your clothes for a more even wash. Near the end of the wash and rinse cycles, the water is extracted from both the tub and garments by spinning up to 800 RPMs, while operating quietly thanks to its noise reduction design. Its convenience amenities include a delayed start feature, which begins the selected cycle anytime you desire, along with the LED display, which relays the remaining time of the selected wash cycle. The washer automatically shuts off when the selected program finishes, as the end of cycle signal alerts you. Front leveling legs help stabilize the washer on uneven surfaces, while the built-in rear wheels provide placement flexibility before and after use. Plus, it easily connects to your faucet with the included Quick Connect adapter kit and hoses. So stop collecting quarters. This compact washer will relieve you of the difficulties experienced at the laundromat.